fi yma yn y Gadget Show, a fi wedi cael gafel yn Ortis, un o'r cyflwynwyr, a mae fe am cael sgwrs gyda ni. Hello, Ortis, how are you?
I'm very good, thank you.
So, we're here at the Gadget Show.
Yep.
It is miles bigger this year than last year.
Yep, last year there were 2,500 people, or 2,500 seats. Now it's 4,000.
4,000?
Yeah.
Feeling a bit nervous?
I'm not, actually. I'm really looking forward to it.
Excited?
Yeah, definitely.
And what do you think of the big arena, then?
Big. There's so much out there, and, you know, I don't even think I'm going to be able to get a look around, but...
Oh no, how tragic.
We're told it's all really exciting stuff, so everyone should have a good time.
It's worth a look, definitely. Now, just in case you don't get a chance to look around, there is a huge amount of 3D stuff out there at the moment.
Yes, 3D is the buzz term of the year. A lot of the electronics companies who make your TVs, your Panasonics, your LGs, your Sonys, they're really pushing 3D TV this year. You'll be able to watch some games at the World Cup in 3D.
Yes. Wow.
Sky have launched a dedicated 3D channel, and of course at cinemas, you know, all these movies are being released in 3D format as well.
Toy Story 3, of course.
Toy Story 3, Avatar. I saw Clash of the Titans, which is
really?
in 3D as well. So it's big. But we don't know how big it's going to be. We don't know how many people are going to buy into it, because in my opinion, most people are finally getting to grips with HD TV.
Yeah, of course.
And may have spent, you know...
Blu-ray as well.
Exactly. May have spent a fair amount of money upgrading their systems. And now another system has come along saying, oh, this is what you must have. At the moment, it's quite expensive if you want to invest in it. If you are keen on it, wait a little while, it will come down, and, you know, maybe you'll have your regular HD TV and a 3D TV elsewhere.
Yeah, when we're all really rich.
Really, really rich. That's what we're aiming for. Sky's the limit.
Now, Ortis, you are the baby of the bunch.
Yes.
You're 2 years, almost 2 years.
Yeah, just over a year, and it's been good fun. Sometimes a little bit traumatic. Yeah, I've definitely been like the kid brother of the group, but I think I fit in now.
I think you do.
I feel very comfortable with it. So
yeah, I think you're doing a great job.
Thank you very much.
But I've got to ask you, the four of you get to do a fair few challenges between you. Who is the most competitive?
Jason.
Jason?
Without question. I mean,
it's the glasses, isn't it?
He is. It's the glasses, and he'll tell you it's the ears as well. He is possibly the most competitive individual I've ever met. You may not know it to look at him, but he's very gifted in sports department. He has an incredible sense of balance. He's like a cat. Stick him in a new pair of roller skates or on a board or anything with wheels or anything that requires a lot of balance, and he takes to it in minutes.
I hate
him. Yeah, let's hate him together.
Two of my highlights for you, not that I've been stalking you, is when you did an item with the penguins, robotic penguins.
Oh, the Festo penguins.
Yes.
Yeah, they're great. And they're here.
And they're here.
They're
it's
here
really
at Gadget Show Live.
I'm going to go and see them later. And, of course, the Craig David sing-off.
Yes, yes.
You've got any highlights?
It's another sing-off, actually. I mean, I enjoyed working with Craig David, but the first time we tested SingStar was against Beverly Knight, and I've been I've been a massive fan of hers for years, so that was very much a highlight, and also getting to drive an F1 car, which was...
Well, I can't get much better than that,
was brilliant. Yeah, great fun.
And you know, a lot of young people hopefully will be watching now, and they can't, you know, gadgets do tend to be expensive, especially the more cutting edge ones.
Yes.
But if you're an enthusiast and you want to get involved, what would you say would be a good gadget that's affordable as well? Okay,
sometimes when new gadgets come out, you can get caught up in the hype, and you may end up buying something which costs a lot, which doesn't really last. You know, people are talking about something else after a while. Yeah, fads. My advice would be to wait a while, see what's still good after a year, and undoubtedly it would have come down in price. You don't have to have everything as soon as it comes out. The good stuff will last and will be as good next year as it was this year, and definitely a lot cheaper. So I say wait.
Amazing advice. Bit of patience.
Definitely.
Now, before I go, I've got a little challenge for you.
Yeah, I'm worried about this.
It's not hard.
Okay.
It's just I might catch you out.
Right.
I'm just going to give you a couple of... I'm going to shout some words at you, and you've got to choose one or the other.
Right. Is it an intelligence test?
No.
Because I'll do really bad.
It's not.
Okay.
It's a preference test. So I'm going to just hit you with two options, and you're going to say which one you prefer.
Go on then.
Okay. Ready?
Yes.
Facebook or Twitter?
Twitter.
Paper or plastic?
Plastic.
Laptop or desktop?
Laptop.
Xbox or PlayStation?
PlayStation.
FIFA or Pro Evo?
Neither.
3D or 2D?
2D.
HD or Blu-ray?
Blu-ray.
Mario or Sonic?
Sonic.
Jason, Susie or John?
I'll take all of them.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I hope you have a lovely time here.
Thank you.
And
We will,
thank you so much for the interview.
My pleasure. Ooh, I'll get a kiss too. Let's do the double cheek thing.
Thank you very much.